how to send from Coinbase ETH or Ethereum to another cryptocurrency wallet tutorial. If you found value, then subscribe to the channel for more. Okay, so open up the Coinbase app or the Coinbase exchange, and then click or locate what you would want to send. In this case, I'm sending Ethereum or ETH, and I'm going to click the fourth option, which says send. In this case, it says select a method, and you want to click the second option or the Ethereum chain. So there's two options to send your ETH or your cryptocurrency to. You can type in whatever you want on here, or the next option is there's a QR code, and it will basically bring up an address that you would like to copy. So in this case, I'm going to scan the QR code, and as you can see, as I scan the QR code, it has pasted the address like so, and you want to click the address or click continue. Now put in however much crypto that you would like to send over. You have an option to add a note or to preview your transaction before you actually send it. And then you can click send now. As you can see in the total, there is a network fee, but if you're happy with it, then click send now. And as you can see, you have successfully sent cryptocurrency or Ethereum. You can even click view details to view your transaction or to view what cryptocurrency you have just sent. Notice at the bottom screen on Coinbase, there's a status, and it looks like that this is still sending as it says pending. Now once this is complete, it would have said you have successfully sent your cryptocurrency. Okay, so basically on your MetaMask wallet, I have it loaded on the PC. If you want to receive crypto from Coinbase, there's a couple ways to go about doing this. On the top screen, you have your address in the account, and if you click this icon, you can copy your address, and then you can copy it and paste it directly from your phone, assuming you're sending crypto from your Coinbase app, which is on your phone. Or the other way which you could do is you can click the drop-down arrow, and then click these three dots or icons, and click account details. In this case, you can scan the QR code, or you can copy the receiving end of the address. And as you can now see, the transaction has been completed. You can even view your transaction on the block explorer just to see that you sent it to the right person or whatever it is that you want to do, and you can view this on Etherscan. Input your details, and then as you can see here under the tokens, you now have your new cryptocurrency, and if you go under to activity, you can see that you have received new cryptocurrency on your MetaMask wallet from the Coinbase wallet or app. Check out the post for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.